things to come, many secret evil that these people did to come. It's just that Ngozi don't want to go there. They want to face what is she doing. Then the woman said, these individuals that are fought back, all of them that the mandate. Why Samaneba did not say we should protect the account in government in Exile, because Samaneba already know that account is gone, and she is not there. He's already know. I'm telling you nothing but the truth. Mm-hmm. That is why you know that is why he told Ngozi the main account. That's why he told Ngozi protect the mandate. So where am I going? When they heard that Ngozi is a surrogate, immediately, then start cooking for Ngozi. As I start cooking for Ngozi, Ngozi already know. The woman qualified to be a doctor, is ordained. Is a woman that the leadership is a woman that has the anointing of presidential leadership. Okay, the woman no that now was surrogate. The woman started out the cancer of. She don't want to treat the cancer. She don't want to pamper the cancer. She don't want to, try to use medication to pamper the cancer because this and this and this. Ngozi Orabueze started cut the cancer off. Mm-hmm. That is number one great thing this woman done in this agitation. I'm telling you the truth. If Nnamdi Kanu surrender by people that is surrender Ngozi Orabueze, I'm telling you Nnamdi Kanu will not have issue. Right now. If Samoneta surrender by these people that is surrender by Ngozi Orabueze, Samoneta will find it very easy. I don't know whether I'm making sense, huh?
Yeah, very, very much. I follow what you're saying. I understand what you're saying, actually.
So, this is the mistake our leader, Nnamdi Kanu did, Samuel Ekpa did, and then Ngozi Orabueze say, she will never do that mistake. No matter who you are, no matter what you present, no matter your age, no matter what you have done in past, she will never tolerate by treating cancer in this agitation. Any cancer that they want to develop, it must be cut off. And that is where I stand with her. And if we that call ourselves Biafra really want to have our freedom, we should have that mentality that Ngozi Orabueze has. That future she has. That zeal she has. If we Biafra really want our dictation, really want our freedom, really want our independence, we should have that mentality. Sometimes 80% of them are money monger. They are business people. Imagine Ada Ono